Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change Ambilight Dynamic Speed on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Then in settings, navigate to Ambilight option on the sidebar. Go to Ambilight Style and select either standard or sports or cinema or gaming style, as music's fixed color, and of course disabling Ambilight Style will not let you change the dynamics of the color change. So let's, for example, select the standard style. Then you're gonna have to go to Ambilight Personalization and change and go to Dynamics option and change the speed of dynamics, selecting one of the available options. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.